Hi, my name is Vicki King, and I'm here to tell everyone about a wonderful penny auction site. It's called RagingBid.com. Now, RagingBid.com not only has wonderful deals, but they also have this feature that if you are one of the top 9 winners of the month, they put your name in a drawing, and whoever the winner of the drawing is gets a $150 gift card. Well, I was lucky enough to be one of those 9 people, and I was lucky enough to actually have my name drawn. So, ta-da! Here it is, my $150 gift card from Raging Bid, for free. They shipped it to me. I didn't have to bid on it. I got it for free just for being a top winner. How awesome is that? I don't know of any other penny auction site that takes care of its customers the way that Raging Bid does. So if you guys are looking for a wonderful penny auction site, or if you are a first timer and you've never tried them out, please give Raging Bid a try and just tell them that Vicki King, aka VL King 77, sent you. Thanks, guys.